But given Canada's size and diversity, it's really hard to understand how one central organization can really effectively promote experiences across the country. There's so much to offer. So could you tell us a little bit more about how Destination Canada works with different regional and provincial organizations to support tourism across Canada?
Absolutely. I think that one of our key advantages is really our Team Canada approach that has really shone in the past year and a half. We work very closely with all of our counterparts at the provincial and territorial destination marketing organizations. We communicate regularly. We create alignment among our plans. So it's a very cohesive and close working relationship.
Thank you. And actually, I was intrigued about a relationship with Parks Canada. How does Destination Canada partner with Parks Canada? We know we have tremendous assets, whether they be wilderness areas, whether they be heritage sites. I'm pretty aware that actually a lot of visitors from the US are particularly intrigued to visit those destinations. And I was wondering if there's any specific partnership going on there.
We work very closely with different partners across government, and certainly the parks are a key interest to visitors. I can attest to that. Working on Rocky Mountaineer, where Banff, Jasper, Lake Louise are key assets for us. If you would like more details on those partnerships with Parks Canada, I would ask colleague Ms. Walden to weigh in on that.
Actually, I would, because my riding encompasses a very large part of the Rouge National Urban Park, which is maybe not one as well known as Banff or some of the glorious parks that we have in the Rockies. But if Ms. Walden could elaborate, that would be great.
Thank you. I'm happy to do so. We have a long-standing relationship with Parks Canada because they are such an important asset for Canada's tourism industry. And by way of example, for instance, this afternoon we are holding a national webinar. I think currently it's just finished our French version of the webinar, and this afternoon there is an English version where we are hosting Parks Canada to help share what they are doing with our industry. And so that's one example of how closely we try to work, and more we are integrating our work with theirs as we contemplate the new mandate we have around destination development to think about how we produce product in tourism that can be globally competitive, and parks is a very key part of that conversation.